Okay, so I have an old Leatherman style multi-tool. I think it was a free gift from a membership. And the problem is I can't open it up. It seems to be stuck. So I'm going to see if I can clean it up. I don't want to force it too hard, but oh, there it goes. Okay. Yeah, it's really stiff. So I'll see if I can. It's really stiff, but I won't be able to get it closed. And I don't want to hurt myself, and I don't want to break it. Okay, so as far as the other tools, it has on this side has a knife and a small one, and I think is there a so on that side I'm going to be real careful. Okay, that moved pretty easy. This side we've got a saw, like a small screwdriver. I'm not sure what that is. There's a Phillips screwdriver and a bottle opener. Unfortunately, everything's opening together, so what I'm going to do first here is I'm going to give it some air. And the straw blew off the air. So, try that again. Oh, that's great. This part right in here is really stiff. It's loosening up a little bit, but okay. So it's moving a lot better than it was originally, but what we'll do now is go to plan B, which was really plan A all along. Get a little WD-40 in there. Get a little bit in there. Let it soak in. Do the other side. There, we'll just let it soak in. I'll see if that one is. Okay, right there is really stiff. And that's air. That's not WD-40. Okay, there we go. Again, I need to work it all in there. Okay, that's going a lot better now. Still doesn't close properly. We'll just keep working it here, and then we'll clean it out and we'll oil it. Okay, now there, it went back together. Okay, there we go. Pliers work. Got a wire cutter there in the middle. Oh yeah, it's going better. Okay, now when you bring it together, it should, there, went together that time, no problem. So that's getting better. Okay. Just keep working it. So this guy right here. And then it's these guys right in here. This has been sitting for probably 20 years, hasn't been touched. So I was going to buy one, and then I remembered I had one. There we go. It's always a good idea to wear rubber gloves when you do a project like this, because it's all over my hands. Okay, it's working a lot better. Now we'll try all the other tools here, see if we can carefully get those open. Yeah, they all want to work together. Teamwork. Okay, that knife is not opening there. Let's put everything else down. Let's see if we can. It's always good to push your knife into concrete. Okay. So I'm going to do it again. There we go. I can sharpen that. Okay, he's working much better now. There we go. Now, it'd be nice if I could open the bottle opener without the knife flipping open. Something there. There's something else in here. There's another knife. There it is, big knife. Okay, let's put a little more in there. Let that soak in there. And I'll go. I hate to move to the other side and forget about the knives that are sticking out. Okay, that is working really well and independent of the others. Okay, now little knife is working better. And the bottle opener could be better. And this guy here, boy, that is really stiff. There we go. They need a little practice. If I could get them to work independently, I would be happy. Jeez. Now the saw and I think that's another screwdriver. They like to work together. I don't want them to. Yeah, they're getting smoother. Okay. So once I'm done with this, I'll wipe everything down, and then I'll give it some little bit of oil to help it preserve. Should have done that 20 years ago. I probably wouldn't be doing this right now. Bottle opener. Okay, Phillips head is in the bottle opener doing the same thing everybody else has been doing here. They don't want to work independent. They're getting better though. A lot better. Okay, so now everything's working. When before I couldn't even open it up, so that's big improvement. Got a little ways to go. I might just let the WD-40 sit on there for a little while before I clean it off. Let it soak in a little better. That's how you do it.